Hi everyone, you well, this is CoinsKid. Going to dive into Vechain once again. Thank you for your support, okay? Really do appreciate it. Thank you for your round-the-clock support for the channel, the Telegram, the Patreon, the Instagram, the Twitter, all of it, okay? Thank you very much. So right now, Vechain is doing exactly what was expected. We've created this low here. We've had 7 waves down in this wave 4, and we've had 7 waves down in this wave 2, as we've gone over right now. So the volume's starting to pick up relatively nicely for the next wave up, potentially, if we can get that. Now, what I want to see here for Vechain, straight off the bat, is a level of resistance that we do need to see broken for the continuation of the bull just there, okay? So I'm just going to lay down this future price prediction based off this Elliott wave theory and obviously this next impulsive wave up. We do expect Vechain to go on to the $1.50 sort of area up here, but that's on a separate chart, okay? So if we do get this appreciation here, this is where you can see the next wave up, because you've come down, you retrace, and right now you're starting to form a new impulsive wave to these highs. So do expect, if we can get the continuation here of the bull, you're looking at a 1618 Fibonacci extension, you're looking at 82 cents Vechain token price appreciation at a bare minimal, okay, a bare minimal. So right now it's doing everything it needs to do. It's looking really, really strong. It's broken above the weekly 20 EMA, which is what you want to see. And I did say, if you refer back to the video earlier in the week, I said to you, it doesn't hang around long, because it bottoms out, look, and boom, it's up there, holds the support, see you later in that wave. And this is what we're anticipating, and it's looking relatively rosy for continuation. Right now you're going to create these higher highs and higher low structures, okay? Effectively you carried out the correction here, you know, and like I said to you, the stock RSI in the floor is starting to form a bullish cross. You bounced off our trend line which you gave you. You got your 7 waves down, you got your 7 waves down in 2, you got your 7 waves down in 4. It's looking good, but it doesn't mean we're not going to enter a bear market, okay? There is a level of resistance above that potentially, if you do start to hit it and get rejected, appear at the 050, which is synonymous with dead cat bounce. This way you will enter the bear, okay? But if we don't lose this low down here that we've created ourselves at 00508, if we can now maintain this trajectory, you're looking at a very similar scenario and a very similar break like this that we got for Vechain, where we held the 20, boom, 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 see you later, alligator. So, you know, if you are a bit of a reservist, because it is going to work in waveforms. Look, wave I, look like this, look, see this, waveforms, what you want to see. So if it does continue right now, you know, not financial advice, but there are a couple of key levels you need to see broken here for Vechain for confirmation of a beautiful reversal wave, because it's what we're doing. We're creating this reversal wave, come back up to where we came from. Once we get that, you're going to form a new impulsive wave extension up there, okay? So you've got to see Vechain break the 050 and the golden ratio. If you start to break the golden ratio, the high probability of creating a reversal wave just there. So that current level sits at 01471, and the dead cat bounce scenario sits at 0120134. To be honest with you, Vechain's getting a little bit overextended here. I would like to see a potential rollback and backtest of support at the moment before we start to build up momentum to break these levels, because if we don't, we're going to start to get a little bit too parabolic here, and it's potentially where you see a little dump, okay? And like I said to you, you need to retain this low down here. But so far so good. It's absolutely golden for Vechain, and it's one of the major alts that I'm looking at, okay, that's given me a lot of confidence in the fact that we are sort of seeing the return of the bull here. So basically, you know, you're fully aware we had things called bull traps and things like that. So I've taught you all of this that I can in the space, okay? So right now I'm just going to take a look at the 4-hourly time frame and see what we see, okay? So right now, yeah, we're broken out of this WW bottom. Where is the target for that on the daily? Is that on a separate chart or something? Anyway, I can do it on this chart and show you. So yeah, the technical target at the moment, you've got this massive big bull flag just there, bull pennant, sorry, and we're broken out of that horizontal. You know, I think I'll give you the target just there, and again you've got, you know, the target there from that horizontal as well to there, continuation of trend. And this is where you can see, you know, it's breaking out and pushing up towards that level there at 11 cents. But you also have a technical target of a WW bottom just there as well for Vechain, which we've broken out of. Look, in the last couple of days, we've broken out of this level of resistance. I did say to you, if you do see the break of 09125, do anticipate a lovely little pump up to 12 cents just there. And so far, that's working out to an absolutely fantastic trade of around about 39%. It's on its way, isn't it? So you do need to see the hold, the break. You do need to see it run into resistance, okay? You do, because you're going to be a little parabolic here. You're a bit overextended from the EMAs. You know, you are on the cusp of creating a nice bullish cross here, you know, buy and go to the beat signal. So, you know, if you're looking for an entry point, not financial advice, wait for this cross, okay? Because I see a lot of people saying, when should I enter and stuff like that. I've already gave you your entrance points when you see that break of resistance. But anyway, if you're sort of a reservist and you're waiting for a confirmation, not financial advice, but look for the 20 crossing the 55 okay, because that will form, and that's a buy and go to the beat signal. But what you want to see right there is it fall back and hold it as support. So one of these particular lines, a 55 or the 20, it's up to you. Put your little bid on there, and that's where you see the hold of support. Because like I said to you, when you start to get back above these EMAs, you drag them over your shoulder, you're creating a bullish cross. And the last time you created that for Vechain was the end of wave 4 down here. Okay, look, you got your wave 2 correction, wave 4 bullish cross, melted through it, and what did you do? You overextended, you come back down, and you bounced off to 55. And this is what I'm anticipating here. So don't necessarily FOMO in, because you can see it came up here, and then you had a whopping correction right there. I remember that was in December. Yeah, that was in December. Rolled back, everyone thought the bull market were over, and it wasn't. It was just a little retest of support, came back down, boom, see you later, job done. So there will be opportunities to get involved, and this is primarily one of the arguments for a bull trap. Okay, is like, that's why I show you your key levels. You know, your 50% retracement, your golden ratio, they are key levels to break, because if you can't break through them, you increase in the probability of a bear market here and a potential bull trap. Okay, so it's looking good. You've got a technical target of around about 0.1260, and it's on its way. And you know, in this market, whether we do go bear or bull, I'll always show you support and resistance of potential long shots and short shots. Okay, take care, everyone. It's looking relatively rosy. Back tomorrow with another update on Vechain. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. And once again, I can't thank you enough for your continued support across the channel and Twitter and the Telegram on the Patreon. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.